Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the 4-hour time frame, like I was saying in my most recent video, I think this is more the shape of an ABC than a 1, 2, 3. If this right here is the bottom of an ABC, then it is likely going to go all the way back up and take out the previous highs on this 4-hour time frame. So I would be looking at this move down right here as likely a pullback to this move up, and I think we're going to get another wave to the upside, likely a wave three also. So going down to the 1-hour time frame. Now today is non-farm payroll news. Oftentimes you do get these like big volatility spikes, and liquidity grabs at the news. I think there's a good chance that this move is all just a pullback. Like this is a wave one, maybe we're in a wave two, and maybe at the news it will go down, grab some liquidity, maybe not. But I think overall, I would definitely be leaning towards longs. I think that we are going to likely start a wave three to the upside, and that this over here is likely the end of a wave C on the 4-hour to daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.